Hi, today we will see how to upload product in Shopify from our store. So let's start it. First we open the other store link. This item already uploaded, so we copy the product link and paste here. So we click next product link and download videos and images. So we open the images folder and insert it folder specifically. So next we start uploaded in Shopify store. Has Shopify stores, it's my US client Shopify store. So we add product. First time we insert title, description. Here is title, copy, paste. Here is the description, copy, paste. We remove this gap for good visible. It is heading, so we highlight this heading. Okay, then we upload images. Here is image and videos when uploaded. Next we create a variant. There are some variants, so we need to create variant and insert value. So add variant, create custom option, and variant LENGTS length value 1 yard, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 25. Copy, paste, paste, paste. 10, 25. Okay, done. Now we insert product variant price. 1 for 5.99, 2 for 12, 3 for 80, 4 for 25, 5 for 30. So we insert 5.99, 2 for 12, 3 for 18, 4 for 24, 5 for 30, 10460 25 for 125. Now we insert quantity. Here is a quantity. My clients say quantity 50, insert. So we copy this, paste. Okay. Variant product quantity ready. So here is insert all the information my clients say. So now we can check. Here is the title. We used this additional for SEO. It working for Google ranking. So we manually insert it, and next description, image, variant, price. Now we can save it. Client didn't say insert this gap, so I cannot insert it. So let's save. So copy the link and paste here. It is preview version. Here is the product video. Is title, description, and variant, price. All is okay. So we can do it next. Open next link. Download images and videos. So all variant and fellow is same, so we can duplicate this product and replace title, inventory, price. So download is okay. So we create a new folder number 7. So now we replace title, description. I have title and one thing missing. Only select this and paste. So we don't need to type ZText for SEO. So next, description, copy, paste. we remove all product images, so select all and upload these products images and videos. Open. So here is all variant and values, price, stock level or quantity is same, so we need to replace it. So we can click active, and all videos and images uploaded successfully, so we can publish. So save. View, copy this link and paste listing report. There is title, description, variant, price. So all is okay. This way we uploaded every product in Shopify store. I want this platform over 4 years, so I know everything, like normal store and dropshipping store. So thank you for watching.